can give you a simple breakdown of Blender for your, just like super simple. Can you see that?
Yep.
Yep, gotcha.
So I've got several pieces here. The main thing is finding where they connect.
Yeah.
So let's see, this guy connects right here. So you want to make sure you're getting your manifolds.
So in Meshy, is that a standalone asset? You did the head?
Yep. That's a Meshy model just imported. I'll download it now, but sent over.
Yeah.
Send it over. I like to use this one. Meshy had a setup for a little bit where it would do the analysis for you, but it disappeared with the bridge, I think. But just clean it up, make sure it's manifold, a lot of fun stuff. Find out where you're going to connect it.
Yep.
And then you can just open it up. So now you've got where you can kind of add it to your next model. Same thing here. Get rid of this. Boom. And then I'll just now that's open too. Once we get them both together, now it's got a pathway between them.
Gotcha.
And we can join them. Now it's one model. Make it manifold, and then just keep adding. It's gonna take a second. 14 tabs open right now, but as long as you don't go too crazy with subdividing, Blender normally takes a few seconds to catch up to you. There we go. And then I prefer to have him have a better body, or at least some better armor.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get these chains that are all connected together and go with something a little more
So
detailed.
did you make one complete asset to give you a guide, and then you've been substituting the higher resolution pieces?
No, so I do one image and then I take it to Paint and I just cut it up in Paint and make it whatever images I need for the picture. Let's see. So I'll start with something like that. Can you see that? Or did I just...
No, you've paused one stream. I don't think it's...
Yep. Let's change this.
Yeah, got it.
So I'll start with that and then I'll just take it to Paint. And probably lost it again, huh? Okay, let's change the streaming.
Yeah, got the model. Yeah.
Let's see. And then once I'm in here, remove the background.
Yeah.
Are you still seeing that?
Yep.
Perfect. And then we'll just kind of get rid of the body. Let's go with just head.
So just like a simple mask.
Exactly. I have a really nice tablet that I use for to get it detailed, but clean it up and then just send that one image and you can kind of I like to try to get better resolution, so I run it through like an AI, either it could be anything from Google AI to Copilot, whatever's convenient, just to get a higher resolution of whatever it is. And
what sort of do you get a what's the word? Is there an image size that works best for you, or do you just try and get as big as you can at the highest resolution?
Big as I can, highest resolution.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I don't really have sometimes I can get really great ones, but even that was a little bit pixelated once I blew it up. So it just depends on where I'm getting the image from.